Mark from Panasonic New Zealand, or Sunvolt. That's right, Sunvolt. Sunvolt. Mark has been absolutely awesome for us. He came to see our farm probably 3-4 months ago at a time that we were thinking pretty seriously about upgrading our battery system from the 120 kilowatt hour 48 volt system. And he came and he talked about what they were offering and what they were doing, and it wasn't too long before we ordered a massive battery system, the massive solar array out the front there, and all the inverters and everything to really spec up what it is that we're doing at Forest Lodge in terms of our electricity technology. Don't hear it from me, I'm just the farmer. This guy's the guy that knows what he's talking about.
Firstly, we're absolutely delighted to be working with Mike and the team at Forest Lodge Orchard to help grow sustainability in New Zealand for farming and agriculture. So absolute pleasure to be able to work through our installation of our new solution, new Sunvolt solution. So we've currently got a 300 kilowatt battery system here. So inside the battery system, we've got 11 batteries stacked in the battery here, the 9.2 kilowatt hour batteries, LFP batteries.
LFP is a little bit heavier, but for stationary battery solutions, cheaper and ideal.
The LFPs are quite a linear battery, so they don't go massive up and down in voltage.
The difference in voltage between being fully charged and being not fully charged or empty are quite tight. Yep.